Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof for a JUGS Junior three-way controller PCB 180-2406-0. This is my first functionality proof using fixed camera, and forgive me for this probably terrible viewpoint. I may at some point enter the 21st century and get something better and set up something for making videos better, but I just don't want to get into this whole video production business. Anyhow, two complaints from the customer. One was that the LCD wasn't working. Two, they had one of the three motors that this board controls wasn't working to work. And what I have here is the outputs for the three motors. Those are those three red wires, and the ground is common for all of them. And since I'm going to be testing them one at a time with a just testing motor, not the original, I have the three pluses there kept with caps, and one of them will be directly connected to the controller. I'm going to leave those two with the plastic heads. I don't know if they're visible, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting them one at a time and testing here. And the next step would be to just start that. Let me get the motor. Okay, as you can see, it starts fine. This spot is detached here. You can see there was glue used to get it on the side, but it's not really needed. I don't know if you can hear that. It first goes a little bit higher and then corrects itself. As I turn higher, it also increases. So that channel is good. Turning it off. Getting that channel out of the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this hat to this channel, and then that hat I'm going to put here. Okay, this is the channel that is between my fingers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it out of the way so that you don't see it at all anymore. The only other that is left will be this one. Let me see which way you can see it. Okay, so it's right under with the other two. The other one is out of the way. This is the one that is left for testing. Can even crimp it here so that we know this is what's left and there is no tricks. Oh, come on. Yeah, that should do. All right, testing on again. Come on. Come on, get started. You just need a little kick to get started, of course, because that's not the original motor. There you go. I hope you can hear all that. And that starting works. Turning it off. And again, the same exercise, pulling that out, capping this, and capping those two. Start again. It is unfortunate you can only hear the sounds of the motor, but hopefully, well, before I used to make a proof by moving the camera and getting it to hit down something down there. The motor has a terrible kick when it starts up. If it's not affixed to the, there's a plank here that is affixed to my desk. Without it, that will be kicking all over the place when it starts. There you go. Just as a proof, I guess, let me see if I can do that. Little piece of paper. Okay, taking that out, pointing it here. that should be enough. So screen works, motor works on all 3 channels. Hopefully that's all good. Thank you.